Alright, you guys, so we are here at E-Town running road course. Literally one of my favorite tracks. It's in New Jersey. We're here with Selena, getting some data testing and having some fun days here. So we're making about 700 horsepower. We're at 9 PSI in the rear for our tires. And we're gonna just fucking drive and have some fun today, baby. Tires are getting a little hot. Let's come here for a little bathing session. Yeah, a little bathe me. Bathe me, I'm dirty, I'm hot. Oh my God. So it's about 100 degrees out right now. It's so hot, it's so humid. This is a really good place to get some testing with the car to see how it handles high heat. I'm not sure if you guys can see my temperature here, but we're currently at 178, which is so perfect. This new PWR radiator and fan setup made a hell of a difference when it comes to keeping our temperatures. And you'll see at the end of our run, after doing a full hot lap in third gear, we're going to be pushing like maybe 195 degrees, which is so low. JZs can live happily up at like 220, so that's super solid to see that. Makes it kind of miserable to drive though, because it's fuck me, it's so hot, but it is what it is. Good mental building, I suppose. I want to preface that I don't quite have the track memorized yet as far as where the entry is. The entry, you'll see it's a straight and a big left pin turn, and it's such a I don't have landmarkers yet, so I go in kind of hesitant because I just don't know where I'm going, and I almost shoot off track like every single time. So we're going to play a little bit safe on the entry. Other than that, we'll give it the beans until we get to the back wall section at the end, and you'll see it gets so smoky in here I can't see. We need to tape up some of the holes in the back. So it's about finding those little gremlins and making some fixes with the car. All right, let's give it the fucking beans, boys. So much power. I don't see where the fucking entry is. Here it is. Down to second. Back on throttle. Fill the zone. We're gonna grab third right here. Oh, so much more side by at 9 PSI. And then we're gonna do a bungee flick. Back down to second. This is a super tight snap. Grab third. This is where I can't see. I'm blind. I can't fucking see shit. So dangerous. I'm gonna hit this back section because I love it. This section's super sick, but we're just blow the fucking tires off. This is an uphill blind crest. Backy. I'm blind. Dwan in the passenger seat loves it. Alright, and that is E-Town. So sick road course, man. This track is an absolute cheese grater. I blow through a set of tires in 2 laps, but man, oh man, is it a fun fucking track. So, we'll get a little bit more familiar and we'll start turning some more laps with some friends. Alright, Booth. Let's see what the fuck's... We're going a little slow, boys. Alright. Oh, we're going real slow. I'm so blinded. What the fuck was that? Good save. 3-car, they're so fun, but sometimes you can get such lost in the smoke like that, and you can't see, and it gets very, very dangerous, as you can tell. So fun. Definitely makes you pucker a little bit, but had a hard time just seeing through all their smoke. We have me in the lead and Colette in the chase. 4 people, Jesus Christ. What the fuck? We're slipping our tensioner belt, and it's killing our car. Can't fucking see. That's it. I really shouldn't be doing this layout anymore, especially leading. That was a great example of I didn't know where I was, and then the moment I got back onto throttle, we're having a problem where the car is just dying and idle. Because I think that our tensioner needs to be tightened because our belt is stretching, and when it stretches, it's slipping, and then it's not giving power to the car, and it's killing it. And the only reason why I keep saving it is when it does happen on low decel, after being much on throttle, is I'm able to clutch kick it and get the car back going. It's a hazard. It's got to be fixed. Especially like you guys saw when I handbraked right here and I went in. When I like let the RPM drop and I downshift a second, I get back on gas and there's like nothing, and the power steering goes super, super heavy, which is a dead indication of the pulley slipping. So, oh my god, so hot. All right, so we're about to try a brand new layout. I've never driven it. It's much faster, and like I said, I've never driven it, so I'm not familiar. So I'm chasing Grant. It's gonna be a little sloppy, but it's much faster. It's like 100 plus once we get to this wall back here, which is a ton of fun. So let's see if I can string this together. Where's the entry? Where are we going? So confused, guys. Alright. Scrap third. That was pretty bad, but man, it's confusing. I don't know where the fuck I'm going. All right, let's try this again, folks. See if we memorize a line anymore. All right, let's try this again. We have no tire, but... better now we don't have someone in front of us. yourself, boys. Oh, we saved it, we saved it. So we have no grip, I just went for it. We're like smoked on tire. Oh God, we got no grip in the rear. Zero tire, zero tire. That was epic, that was a good way to get a last little run out. All right, but we just finished our day at E-Town. Such a successful day, I'm so hyped.
Oh, what's up, dude? Hey.
I was just about to show this. All the work that we did prior that you guys watched us do, it's all been great. Just a few minor things throughout today that we're like making small adjustments to, but the overall reliability of any of the issues we had prior to this was absolutely resolved.
All of the modifications today were other things on the car that arose.
Yeah.
Like body gaps or things like that for smoke.
Yeah, smoke
like,
filling up the cabin. I'm excited. We're gonna pack this up now. And tomorrow we're gonna spend a full day going through everything, checking our T-fold manifold bolts, checking our exhaust manifold bolts, making sure everything is tight. But Dylan already paint penned everything and everything from a visual check.
I checked those midday.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Are they good?
Yeah, they were good.
Wow.
Yeah, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna be proactive about this.
So then what do we do tomorrow? I guess we could just do more taping, but the car's pretty good.
Oil change, wheels and tires, nut and bolt inspection. I will go through the exhaust stuff again.
Yeah.
Because fuck it. And tape more things.
Thing in the rear, holding up good. Just some dirt and grime, but we shredded through what? Only 10 tires today? 2, 4, 6, only 8. That's actually not a lot at all. Sweet.
Right?
How many dudes does it take to figure out
And
how
then
to
we're gonna
drive home?
go over the Tappan Zee.
First time driving, three dudes. There's
Tappan
one in
Zee
the back.
Bridge,
There's
over
a gorilla
to
in the
684,
back.
the George
12
Washington
of
Bridge
us
in
are staying at
Manhattan, like
Grant's
the
house.
fucking plague.
It's gonna be fun.
I always say this when I come to the East Coast. I'm always in awe of how pretty neighborhoods are. Grant, what, we're like right outside of Manhattan?
Manhattan.
Did I say it weird? In California, homes are stacked on top of each other. Not here. It's just so different.
Like, it's crazy. I mean, these homes are pretty stacked on top of each other, but like,
Wow, that's beautiful.
yeah, it's super nice.
These things look like they cost some guap, AKA
Cheddar.
money. Some ched, some sweet
cheddar.
ched, some top shelf mama's cookies right there. Some sweet cheddar. Yo, I like the vlogs, brother.
Is he vlogging?
He was vlogging.
No way.
Yeah, it was just a
dude.
kid vlogging.
Hell yeah.
Crazy
You know what?
that
That
you
was
just-
you one day.
It was me one day, and if someone was like, yo, I love your vlogs, it would fire me up.
Oh, he's fired up.
We still got a ways to go. We had to just stop at like a rest stop because Ian had diarrhea.
And we have to take a route I've never taken before because Matt Kaufman's trailer is the size of a semi-truck.
I'm gonna introduce you guys to Matt, maybe in this video, if not this video, the next video. He's an old Formula D driver. He's actually one of Dylan's best friends. And I've been hanging out with him a lot more recently. A hell of a
Sweet
driver.
boy.
If you like drift content, you will know what I'm talking about. There was an Instagram clip of a black S13 at Grid Life last year at Laguna Seca.
You say that weird too. Laguna Seca.
People get fired up.
Laguna Seca.
It's Laguna Seca.
Laguna Seca.
Well, I don't want to say Laguna. How do you say it?
Laguna
Yeah, okay.
Seca.
Seca?
Yeah.
Seca? Laguna Seca.
Laguna Seca.
Yeah.
Nuts.
I don't give a fuck.
Whoa.
I call it Laguna Seca. That is so cool. Anyways, he did like this crazy entry that went so viral because he did like a 140-mile-per-hour entry. Look at that e-brake pull.
Also,
It's like an 8th mile e-brake pull.
we went to Drift Appalachia last weekend.
600,000 likes. Grant, I can't have this in my video.
Why not? It's covered.
My video gets flagged.
Give me advice.
Stay on this road.
What you want?
Stay on
What
this
you
road,
want?
and then
What
you're gonna
you
get off on
wanna
684,
do?
okay?
Bad boys. Woo. What you gonna do?
I haven't got, oh, there's 2 cops. I hope they like my car.
Trooper Freeman State Police, license registration, please.
Short.
Thank
That's
you.
registration.
There's no pulling you over, so you on your phone back there.
Okay, sounds good.
Sit tight.
Thank you.
For those that, I don't know if this was a Clips channel thing or a main channel thing, but literally like 2 months ago, Grant was in the car with me and I was in my truck and I got pulled over for
Blowing a stop sign.
allegedly
I was allegedly talking on the phone. Did you tell him? I was holding the phone talking to Matt.
But we were on the car's audio. He was just holding the phone in his hand, wasn't on it.
Yeah.
And he was like,
I don't think I've gotten pulled over in 10 years.
This guy's probably coming at us with a little bit of precaution, looking at you in the front seat. That's why he had his Squire next to him. Now we're the ones in the back of the convoy.
That's okay. Well, we know where we're going. They don't.
Well, I guess now Grant and I are even.
Even Steven.
Pulled over. Everyone's fucking texting us. Okay, I'm gonna handle this.